Precision hydraulics are the pulse of global industry. Since 2003, Kingdaflex Industrial has evolved from a local workshop into a world-class manufacturer. Strategically located in the logistics hub of Qingdao, China, we leverage superior supply chain advantages to deliver excellence to over 50 countries. At the core of our production is high-speed precision. We weave high-tensile steel wire to create reinforcement layers that define the strength of our hoses. This advanced braiding process is the foundation of every product we engineer. Resilience is forged through heat and pressure. Our specialized vulcanization process ensures a permanent bond and maximum durability. From the moment the tank opens to the final coiling, our focus remains on uncompromising structural integrity. Our facility is designed for scale and order, allowing us to specialize in complete fluid transmission solutions. Whether it's smooth surface precision or heavy-duty lines, we provide the technology that keeps global brands moving. For the most demanding environments, from deep mining to heavy construction, we produce large-diameter, high-pressure spiral hoses. These lines are engineered to withstand extreme conditions, making Kingdaflex a trusted back-end partner for the world's leading industrial names. Diversity meets quality across our entire industrial range. Every low-pressure hose undergoes the same rigorous attention to detail, followed by precise measuring and packaging, ensuring every order is ready for the rigors of international transit. Reliability starts with the raw material. By managing our own in-house rubber compounding and intensive mixing, we guarantee formula stability and consistent performance. We control the chemistry to ensure we never compromise on quality. Innovation is driven by verification. In our laboratories, we utilize advanced measuring and testing equipment to push our hoses to the limit, validating every design through exhaustive experimental processes. With global certifications and a commitment to OEM precision, Kingdaflex is more than a manufacturer. We are your strategic partner in fluid power, empowering global industry with precision hydraulics.
We are Kingdaflex.
Your strength reinforced.